Lighthouse.
The Killarney East Lighthouse is a charming historical gem, located about 75 kilometers southwest of Sudbury, Ontario, on the beautiful shores of Georgian Bay. This picturesque lighthouse has been guiding sailors and capturing hearts for over a century. Killarney is at the tip of a rugged granite peninsula that reaches into Georgian Bay. The Ojibwe people called this area Shibahonaning, which means, "Here is a safe canoe channel." This name perfectly captures the essence of Killarney, as a safe haven for early traders and explorers, traveling between Georgian Bay and Lake Superior. Originally known as the Red Rock Lighthouse, Killarney East Lighthouse is one of 2 lights built in the area. The other is the Partridge Island Lighthouse. Both are now known as Killarney East and Killarney Northwest. These charming lighthouses, built in 1909, are wooden and square, standing about 20 feet tall from the base to the lantern top. Today, the Killarney East Lighthouse is recognized as a federal heritage building. Killarney has recently become a stop on an exciting Great Lakes expedition cruise with Viking Cruises. The cruise, which includes both American and Canadian stops, allows up to 385 passengers to explore the unique beauty of the Great Lakes region. The Viking team was quickly captivated by Killarney's stunning landscapes and natural beauty. They saw the charm and allure of this wonderful part of Ontario. Viking Cruises has 2 new expedition ships specifically designed to navigate the Great Lakes. These ships fit through the various locks along the route, ensuring a smooth journey for all passengers.